go. So I'm walking where my feet are. I'm walking quite close to the edge. This is the wider part of the path, walking from Croxton to our house. Still a 30-mile-an-hour zone. Narrower now, big road, and we're just coming into the 40 zone. It's narrowed out again. What I'm concerned about is in both directions, when a child walks down, and our child walks down to the bus and walks back, especially if we're getting into the dark evenings. She won't be getting into a 4:20 into the dark. So we're going to put a reflective tabard on there, but that still doesn't really solve the problem. These paths need clearing back to what they are at the bottom of Croxton. Again, it's quite thin here. She's walking really close to the edge on here. Well, I am. It's not very good. Should be at least another foot on that path. Drain's covered at the end. Need to move the grass to get to the drain. Okay, last lamp post before the houses. Here we're going towards the edge. And then we're up to our path, which is actually wider outside the house than it is down to Croxton, which seems a bit crazy.